Today's video is going to be fun and light. We're diving into 6 unusual foods your skin absolutely loves and why these unexpected ingredients may become your new beauty staples, I hope. Welcome back. I'm Dr. Maria Azizian, a board certified general surgeon and an IFM certified functional medicine physician. If you like my videos, please like, share, and subscribe. So, number one food is seaweed, ancient beauty food of Japan. Japanese women have used seaweed in beauty rituals for over 1,000 years. They would grind it into powders, add it to baths, and use it as early masks for the face. And our skin loves seaweed because it's full of iodine, magnesium, antioxidants, and hydrating polysaccharides. And these nutrients strengthen the skin barrier, help calm redness, and lock in moisture, almost like giving yourself a natural mineral spa treatment. How do you eat seaweed? Well, there are lots of seaweed snacks nowadays. You can eat it as nori sheets, kelp flakes, miso soups, and a few servings a week is all you need. Number two, sauerkraut. And that's actually a happy accident that became a beauty food. Legend says that sauerkraut originated when cabbage accidentally fermented in rice wine during the building of the Great Wall of China. And here are its skin benefits. It's rich in probiotics and organic acids, which help rebalance gut bacteria. And as you know from our channel, a healthier gut means less inflammation, fewer breakouts, and calmer skin in general. It's a simple gut skin glow pathway. And you eat it raw, never heat it. Add to salads, vegetables, or entrees. Number three, pumpkin seeds, the Aztec food of the gods. So Aztecs considered pumpkin seeds sacred and used them in rituals. And indeed, pumpkin seeds are great for the skin because they're high in zinc, which regulates hormones, supports collagen, and reduces acne. Zinc deficiency is actually more common than people think, so adding seeds can make a visible difference. And zinc is especially beneficial in hair loss, and we sometimes find zinc deficiency in patients who come in with hair loss, hair shedding problems. How to eat pumpkin seeds and how does salt matter? Well, you can eat them raw, roasted, or lightly salted. Avoid heavily salted versions because they can cause puffiness and dehydration, the opposite of what we want for healthy skin. And since the pumpkin seeds are very dense and highly caloric, eating only a small handful per day is enough. Number four, hibiscus tea, possibly Cleopatra's beauty drink. Hibiscus flowers were prized in ancient Egypt, and Cleopatra reportedly drank hibiscus infusions for smooth, clear skin. And skin perks are that hibiscus contains vitamin C, anthocyanins, and alpha hydroxy acids, all of which help brighten the skin, improve texture, and support collagen. And many people call it a Botox in a cup. So you can drink it as hot tea, iced tea, or with lemon. And it's naturally caffeine free and actually beautiful in color. Number five, sardines. Small fish with a big history. Sardines got their name from the islands of Sardinia, which is part of Italy located in the Mediterranean Sea. And the skin benefits are that sardines are one of the richest natural sources of EPA and DHA, omega 3s fatty acids, which reduce redness and calm inflammatory skin conditions. And they also contain coenzyme Q10, supporting skin repair, elasticity, and that vibrant look of the skin. So how to eat them? Well, they usually come in a can. So they're canned in olive oil, lemon, or water, and they can be put on crackers, salads, or you can just eat them straight from the can. Number six, tahini, possibly the oldest cream on earth. Sesame seeds are one of the humanity's first cultivated crops, and tahini appears everywhere, including in the popular Dubai chocolate. And tahini is an important ingredient actually in Dubai chocolate, which is of course very delicious, but not necessarily the form of tahini I would recommend for a beautiful skin. So tahini is good for the skin because it provides healthy fats, calcium, and sesame. Sesame is a compound that helps reduce oxidative stress. Tahini is great for people who suffer from dry, irritated, or eczema prone skin. How to eat it? It can be used as a drizzle on vegetables, in dressings, mixed into dips, or stirred into smoothies. So there you have it, 6 unusual foods with long and fascinating histories and with real skin benefits. Try adding them into your routine and see how it works for you and how your skin responds to them. I'm looking forward to reading your comments on how it works for you. Try these foods. All of them are very delicious. And thank you as always for watching. Until next time. Bye bye.